Hi, I'm Mike Lauber, CEO of Tusco Display and Manufacturing. Welcome to Manufacturing Day 2021. You know, a lot has changed over the last 18 months, hasn't it? And yet one thing has not. Modern manufacturing offers great opportunities for careers that are both challenging, well-paying, and offer great benefits.
At Tusco Display Manufacturing, we believe in investing in our communities through our team members with ongoing training and ample opportunities to grow with us. And speaking of opportunities, we count many local high school and college students as part of our team. From part-time work while attending school to full-time hours during breaks, we love welcoming and encouraging young people to see what a career in manufacturing can deliver for them. You know, some of our longest tenured employees began their careers with Tusco just out of high school and have risen through our organization into leadership roles that make our day-to-day operations possible. We continue to add to our team too. Everyone from high school students wanting to work a few hours after school to full-time opportunities at all skill and ability levels. So whether you have a background in any kind of manufacturing or are interested in learning more about what we have to offer, consider an opportunity to come and learn while you earn at Tusco Display and Manufacturing. And who knows, you may soon see some of your own work in your favorite store.